First thing, choosing our desks. Like I wanted the one next to the window.
Well, definitely the friendliness of everyone, so it does not feel like a normal corporate office. It's more of a, I mean, obviously this is an office, so there are desks and computers, don't get me wrong, but this feels more like a kind of a house than an office building, both because of the facility and because of the people. So it's like you get introduced and then you just start talking with people, we start hanging out like in the kitchen, drink coffee or something, and that's very noticeable. Like that was literally the first thing that I noticed that is very different from other companies that I had interactions with, that it's much less formal and much less tense.
My process was really good. During the process, we were also having fun, so I should have known that this would be really fun internship, I can say.
I feel like I felt a bit more comfortable than at other job interviews that I had in the past.
Why?
It was just less stressful, and I don't know, maybe the atmosphere, everything, just maybe the small talk at the beginning. I can't exactly know why it was like this, but I just felt more comfortable. I didn't feel stressed, I just felt like it was a normal talk.
I think in so many ways, because I'm trying some, okay, I've graduated from, the brand management, so I'm also trying to understand the field, and I think this is the better place to understand it. So it will benefit me so much, I can say.
Well, definitely it will, first of all, allow me to get some working experience and to learn a lot of stuff from people who already are in the industry and who already know a lot. But also to gain some contacts both inside the company and outside of the company.
Okay, I'm a little afraid of cats, but he's cute. So I can say he is only cute, but I cannot touch him, so...
Do you remember his name?
Oh, it's hard to say for me.
Vukashin?
Vukashin.
Well, the cat does not bother me, but I don't... Is it your cat, really? Because he's like... I feel like he's just, everyone's cat. I mean, he just comes and goes as he pleases, but I don't mind animals. I feel like Kubra's a bit scared of him, but I don't mind him.
Do you remember his name?
Bukashi, right?
Vukashin,
Oh.
Yeah, but you were so close. Bravo.
Not weird, but that dancing cactus is really fun.
I don't know, maybe the cactus.
Hvala do viđenja, zdravo, NNN, živeli, my favorite.
Well, thank you, Hvala. Right. I remember also a couple of words which confused me, like bravo, for example, because it means straight and in Polish it means right.